What's up, loves? Welcome back to SelfLuv IsLife. Today I have a new hair install video for y'all. Don't kill me about the last one. I know y'all probably seen my little black hair with the purple streaks. I did not get around to filming that for y'all. But anyway, if y'all into crochet install videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your girl some love down in the comments. Now, back to the black hair. That was my birthday hair, y'all, and I did not get a chance to film. Like, my birthday week was so crazy, I just did not get a chance to actually film a freaking hair install for that video. But if you want to know what kind of hair that was, now it was Beach Curl 1B. The purple Rasta free hair that I had in, that's what the little purple streaks was. I just added a few little pieces in there for a little pop pop, boom. For a little pop pop. So anyway, today I have these little brown little situation going on, passion twist. Yeah, let me show y'all the hair real quick. So this is what the stock card looks like for the hair that I have in. So it's Lulutress passion twist pre-loop hair, 12 inches. It has the little pre-loop situation already going on for you. Now I used the colors T1B30. That was the majority of the hair that I used. And that's this piece where you at. Matter of fact, it's all these pieces. These pieces in the front right here too. So that's that. And then I got some 27 pieces. They didn't have T1B27. All they had was 27. So I got 2 packs of the 27. Mixed that in here. And that's, let me find a good one. So here goes some of the 27 hair right here. That's this one right here. Just regular 27. No black roots. They didn't have it, so I had to work with what they had. But I used 8 packs of the freaking, what? Okay, so I used 6 packs. Was it 5? I think I used 6 packs. I used 6 packs of the 1B30. 2 packs of the 27. But then I still needed some more freaking hair. And at the hair store that was closest to my house, they didn't have this hair, of course, so we had to improvise. We added this little beauty to the mix. So this hair is what I wound up mixing with the hair that I already had in my head. And that's, let me find one. That's this strand right here. That's what that looks like. Now, as you can see, these are smaller than the the Lulutress ones. This brand right here is Lulutress by the Janet collection. Never had their hair before in crochet hair. I had it in wigs, but not in like crochet hair. Next, it's the 3X passion twist in 14 inches, and the color is OET 1B30. So it's like brown. It's like brown and black throughout the hair, and then as it get down to the bottom, it's more like the brown color, which is the brown color that I freaking like. Anyway, we're gonna get into that in a minute. So what y'all about to see next is me like installing the hair. And if you want to like see a in-depth install of how I do the front of my hair to make it look like the illusion method, check out my last 2 crochet videos, because I really kind of showed y'all on that how I make it look like not crochet hair in the front, but that's what the front is looking like. So I'm gonna show y'all a bit of how I do that or whatever. If you want the in-depth video, look at my last 2 installs. And yeah, y'all about to see me installing the hair, what it's looking like, and I'm gonna come back and let y'all know how I feel about this hair. So it's install time, right? Now, let me just tell y'all what I got going on real quick. I did the front of my hair already simply because I did the illusion method to the front of my hair, just like I've been doing for all my other installs that were like braids in this kind of style. If you're interested in the illusion method, check out my last 2 installs. They both are braids. So one is like a 1B kind of short, what is it, boho, short boho style. One in 1B and one in purple. If you see either one of those video installs, check those out for the illusion method, because that's what I showed y'all what I was doing in those videos. But that's what I pretty much just finished doing right here. Hopefully y'all can see. This side I did last night, because I started this process last night. So all I got done was some pieces over here. So today, we're doing this side. But yeah. Today I'm doing this side. So I'm about to move these pieces out the freaking way. show y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like once it's all installed. I'm really I'm cringing over the freaking 27 here. They didn't have one B27. All they had was 27, and I wanted some 27 highlights. So I added a couple 27 pieces in here so far, but I'm really not feeling it simply because it's Goldilocks in the 3 bands. It's too gold. It's like more gold than blonde. And number 2, the gold pieces are so much shorter than the 1B30 pieces. Like, look, boom, boom. And they supposed to be both 12 inches. Anyway, I'm about to install this hair regular way in the back. Let me show y'all my cornrows in the back. Don't come for me because I did it myself. I had my mother help this time. It's all me back here, okay? And no mirror. I just was freestyling it. But anyway, hopefully y'all can see this. Oh, y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all can see these cornrows I got going on. After my last plait, I took the plait from each I took the plait from each section and added it to a cornrow, just like that. And then when I got to the end, I cornrowed each one all the way across together. And then I took and I sewed this up so it's not falling down. So that's pretty much what I did. Hopefully y'all can see that. So yeah, now I'm about to install the rest of the hair the regular way, probably like 1 finger width apart. We're gonna move this hair out the way real quick. I'm just going to install it the regular way. So I'm going to show y'all what it's looking like when I'm done. Alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like. Now I tied 2 of them together because your girl ran out of hair. I got to get 1 more pack of hair. So, hold on, did I knot it up? I did knot it up. I'll deal with that in a minute. But this side is not half as full. I'm still missing some pieces over here. So I gotta get 1 more pack. But this is what she's looking like. Let me show you the back. But yeah, this is what she's giving for now. I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about these little passion twist situation when I come right back. So real quick, y'all, I just took the mousse, put it around the perimeter of my hair in the front, and laid the twist back and put a scarf on, and then you're going to see me blow drying it. Just help to lay the hair down. Since they didn't have this hair at the store closest to me, this is what I used instead. I had to move some pieces around so I could put these through my hair like sporadically. Now, I showed y'all what the hair looked like on day one. As soon as it was installed, as soon as it was put in. Here we are like a week and a half later, and this is what the hair is looking like. This is actually a week and a half of me wearing this hair. Now, y'all know that this girl was on a weight loss journey, and I exercised 5 to 6 days out the week. So you're going to see some wear and tear in my hair, period, more so than probably anybody else that does not do exercise or anything like that, right? But I feel like it's still looking really good. And I put mousse in it only maybe twice. Of course, day of. So this may be the third day. Because day of, I put mousse in it. I put mousse in it one other day. And then I put mousse in it today as well. So I use my little Vigorol. Boom, 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 boom. And that's the olive oil one. I put some of that on my hair today. Kind of laid my edges down a little bit. And this is what we have. Now, of course, the 14-inch hair. The last hair that I showed y'all that was by the Janet collection. Of course, I had to trim that because this hair that I already had in was a freaking 12-inch hair. So I had to cut it to make it uniform. But I think it's kind of cute. Now, honestly, if I'm being 100% honest, I love the brown of the Janet collection more than I love the Lulutress brown. Now, the Lulutress brown for me, what I don't like about the tint of the color is giving me bronze, not brown. And I feel like with the 27, it's not giving me blonde. I feel like it's giving me gold. So I'm not a fan. I like the twist itself, but the colors is like a little off for me. So will I do this twist again in this freaking brand with these colors? No, I will not. But I actually like the twists themselves. Now, I really like the brown of... See, but it's OET, so it's like the brown is actually going through the black, and then it's like all brown at the bottom. But I like the color of the brown in the Janet collection better. So yeah, that's pretty much how I feel about this hair. This hair is lasting pretty good. I'm going to leave this hair in for a while. This probably going to be like a 3-week hair for me, honestly, because the hair that I'm installing next, if I can find it, the hair that I want to install next, I'm going to install it for an event that I'm having, and that's not until October the 1st. So we're going to leave this hair in for about 3 weeks. And yeah, it's doing its job though. It's like, I like hair like this simply because I'm active now. And it's like letting me live my life and be active, but still be cute at the same time. You know what I'm saying? You can't beat that. Let me show y'all what my hair is looking like up close and personal, like color wise. Hopefully it picks up really good. The 1B30, the 27, the OT 1B30 or whatever it was, OET I think. That's this one right here. For this hair, absolutely love it. If you need a active friendly hair, or I honestly put this in because I've been wanting passion twists, and I'm like, the summer is ending, like what better time to go ahead and end out the summer with some passion twists. I meant to mention to y'all, see, this came with 3 packs. I mean, it came with 3 bundles. I used 2 of the bundles, as you can see. I still have a bundle left. And believe it or not, I have a spot where I can put a couple pieces at. So yeah, and I want to say that this only had like 10 strands in the, not the Janet collection. I want to say the Lulutress hair only had like 10 strands in it, I want to say. I think I counted 10. I'm trying to remember. I think it was 10. I mentioned to y'all earlier that I did the illusion method where you can pull your hair up and it not look like crochet hair in the front. Don't mind the white freaking edge control issues, okay? I need to put some oil on it or something, but ignore the white part. That's kind of cute. Okay, pony. I think we're gonna wear the hair like this today. I'm feeling it. But do y'all see how it doesn't look like crochet hair in the front? Like it's giving passion twist into my head, not crocheted into my head. It looked like it's twisted into my hair. So yeah, make sure y'all check out the last 2 videos to get a more in-depth look at that. Like I told y'all, but this is pretty much. I really want to real life wear my hair like this today. This is giving me what I want to give today. But anyway, hold on. I actually got this from a local hair store this time. I did not order it online. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you probably can find it in your local hair store or something similar to it. Or you can find it online, I'm sure too. Of course, this was an easy install. I feel like the twists and the braids are the easiest ones to install. You don't have to separate no hair. You ain't got to worry about no hair frizzing up on you. You know, anything like that. If you're looking for an easy install and you want something that's going to last you a few weeks, definitely check out some passion twists or the Boho Box Braids that I tried on my last video that I showed y'all. Try one of those because this will last you a nice bit of time. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If there's anything else you want to know about this hair that I did not mention, leave it down in the comments below. Make sure, if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. Help your girl get to this 500 subscribers, okay? And you can do that by subscribing to my channel today. It only takes a second. And also, if you're not following me on IG, follow me on IG. I'm trying to build my IG up because I suck on IG. So, like, help me build my IG up as well. Come over there and follow me on IG. You can get some things that you necessarily would not get on YouTube. And also, if you're not following me on TikTok, do the same. All those links will be down below. Also, my kids' YouTube channel. Go subscribe to my kids' YouTube channel. Go show them some love on their page because they be working hard, okay, to get their little YouTube content out there. Mommy been working hard, okay? So go ahead and follow them. Their YouTube name is FamCam, and it's spelled FAM space KAM. The link for that will be down below too. Make sure you go subscribe to my baby's channel. Let me know that you did when you go over there, like I subscribe, so I can know that you support me, so I can support you back in whatever you do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all for watching my video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.